welcome back to social studies. Yes, what all we studied at previous class? We studied about the sources of information, right? Yes, now we'll see what I said in sources of information. The first human developed the civilization in the world. It was here that the first people were gathered and forming a large cities, right? Yes, there was a first human being or a people gathered forming of large cities. Now we'll see how are the large cities they has formed, how they has created government. We'll see now. Where we can see in that? We can see the topic of town planning. We'll see. Yes. Due to the fertility soil in Mesopotamia, farming was very successfully. In fact, people were able to cultivate surplus of food. What happened? Yes, when they was in Mesopotamia, at the same time, the farming was very successful. Farming is nothing but, what is farming? Farming is nothing but agriculture. Yes, where they has to do that? In the fertility soil. Yes, as well as what in how they were cultivating. They are cultivating in hand. No, they has cultivating surplus. In for what purpose they usually cultivate? They usually cultivate to get food. Yes, right? What are we eating? Like rice, wheat, jars, each and everything. It was cultivated by the farming peoples, right? Yes. Next we'll see the streets of Sumerian city. Yes, were so narrow that a cart hardly got through them. Yes, this was the city of Sumerian. Okay, how it was? It was in the form of narrow. Can see. This is in a very straight road. This is a nice road. This is looking like a nice road, right? Right? No, this is not looking like a nice road. This is looking like a narrow and hardly hearted to them. Yes, as well as the Sumerian houses faced away from the crowded street. Yes, obviously there is no space. It was always like a crowded. There will be crowded in each streets. Instead they are facing on a courtyards. They are familiar aid the children's were fame. Courtyard is nothing but it is. See, can see where the peoples are playing. The peoples are playing on the floor. No, the peoples are playing upon the buildings. How the buildings are looking here? It is in the form of like, yes, in the roof or in the top of the buildings, right? Yes, each city was surrounded by the walls and permanent garrisons of his soldiers were stationed in the tower at each gate. Yes, see, this is that a blueprint of this empire. Sorry, empire or this Mesopotamian. How the town was planned. This is that a blueprint. Can we see this? How it is? It is nothing but in the surroundings. See the surroundings? It is completely made up of walls, right? As well as the station in the tower at the each gate. See, can see one gate, two gate. This is nothing but towers, right? Yes. Next we'll see wildly blowered across the city lines by houses of the wealthy. Rest of the cities were made up of narrow, twisting land surrounded by small, flat and roofed earths. Yes, obviously. See how it was made. It was a cross city in the house as well as it is a wealthy. Like rest of the cities were narrow. It is in the form of narrow, as well as see, can if we look this picture only we can identify it. how it was a small flat and a roofed hut. In the small roof where the children were playing, we can see, right? Yes, we can see. Next, ours was the big city. It was divided into three parts. Yes, as well as this is whichever they planned, that is a very big city. It was divided into three parts. Which are those? Escade area, the walled city, and the outer town. Yes, obviously, which are the three parts? Yes, escade area. Yes, it was like very scary, as well as the walled city. See how that walls we can see, right? Yes. Then outer town. Now we can see outer town. Yes, such as Uruk, Lascaux, as you have been ecolated. Yes, which have been we can see in that Uruk, Lagash, and you have been excavated. Clear? Yes, this is how they are planning the town. Now we will see occupation. What are the occupation of the peoples? Yes, now we'll see. As the Mesopotamians were engaged in agriculture. Yes, obviously what I said the previous, who are the people who will be agriculture, who are people will be engaged in agriculture? Yes, farming people. Yes, they usually cultivate wheat, barley, fruits, vegetable and dates. Yes, see what all we eating, that fruits, vegetables, rice, wheat, each and everything. If the agriculture people, if they grown and if they come and put to market, then we'll go to buy from the market, right? Without them we can eat anything? No, we can't eat anything. Yes, can't eat anything, right? Yes, they cultivate wheat, barley, fruits, vegetables and dates. What the farming people will do? They usually cultivate the crops. Which all those? Wheat, barley, fruits, vegetables and dates, right? Yes, they domesticate animals like cattle, sheep and donkeys. Yes, everybody sees that cow farm and sheep farm and donkeys farm, right? Yes, we usually see. Yes, as well as they invented that X-drawn plot and improved the wheeled carts. Yes, can see this how it is, wheel cart, right? If we go for villages, we can see it will be in the form of Ethin Bandi will say, right? Yes, it is nothing but wheeled carts. Yes, it was, as well as in previous days they were using that wheel cart, but now we are developed, right? What we are using? We are using tractors, JCBs and some cultivate machines we are using, right? Yes, they were goldsmith, blacksmith, potters and weavers. Yes, see, goldsmith, what he will do? He always prepare the gold. That blacksmith, yes, the charcoal, each and everything. Yes, potter, what he will do? He will make the pot. And weaver, what he will usually do? Yes, he will prepare the cloths. So and so, almost all the occupations carpenter will do. Yes, they'll do furniture in the hall. What that shoe polish man will do? He will do shoe polish. And what the cloth sellers or cloth shops will do? They'll sell the cloths. Everybody have their own occupation. Previous days it was in the form of very older form, but now however the technology is developing day by day, so that we are also developing. Yes, a Mesopotamian peoples were skilled and craftsmen. Yes, so obviously that in olden days, especially in Mesopotamian, the peoples were very skilled. They have very talent. They usually will do, if this is a pencil, this is a wood. I don't take it as pencil. This is a wood, means in wood they'll do some craft. Like they'll do some pot, or they'll do some chair, or they'll do some tables, like that. They were very skilled, and they're very technical peoples in Mesopotamia. Yes, they built dexes to control the floods from the river Tiger and Euphrates. This both is river. Between this both, which which we have? Yes, Mesopotamian state we have, right? Yes, between this river, if any flood comes, they usually control the flood. What they'll do? They built a deck. Such kind of skill peoples they are. If the flood comes, how we can save from the floods? Each and everything they are planned, and they usually build a DAX. Yes. Next we'll see page number 15 and the next class. Okay students, bye. Meet you up at next class.